guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be making a cornmeal pudding. Here I have 3 cups. I'm adding 3 cups of cornmeal along with half cup of flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 1.5 salt, and a little 1.5 grated nutmeg, I would say. Here now for the wet ingredients, I have 4 cups of coconut milk. Then I had 1.5 cup of melted butter, along with 3 cups of water, and of course Kingston 12. I did not have rum, so this is what I used to substitute for the rum. And so I had 2 corkful of that, along with my vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to stir that in. Stir, stir, stir. So I add my cornmeal to this. That clip is out, so I'll just let you know before we move on to the next clip. Okay, in this clip now, as you can see, I add the cornmeal and everything. I also have my grease pan. I greased my pan with butter, and I'm adding all of that to my baking pan so I can put it in the oven. How could I forget my raisins? I saw this online where with the raisins you add a flour so they won't sink to the bottom, which mine still did. I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm adding away. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Voila, here is the final product. This is how it came out. It came out so good, and I did leave some of the mixture to put on the top in the middle part of when it was baking, and this is how it came out. It tasted so good. The only issue I had with this is that the raisins were all to the bottom, and that's why I used the foil to hide that part, because persons started eating it already. But this tasted so yummy. The flavor was flavoring in this. I enjoyed this. Everyone else did. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and bye.